Hi guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for those who have subscribed. So today's video we are making chicken curry, and I'm making kienyeji chicken curry, and this is how I make it. So we will need onions, we'll need some garlic and ginger. I prefer to grate them, you can crush them. You also need some tomatoes, some bell pepper, capsicum, the green one, and then I use spices. I use cumin, I use curry powder, I use chicken masala, and I also use chicken cube. I use heavy cream. You can use mala, you can use coconut cream, any that you prefer, but I like the heavy cream. I also use rosemary. You can use the fresh rosemary, or you can buy the dried one from the supermarket. And then my chicken, I had boiled it for about 2 hours because I'm making the kienyeji chicken and it is usually very hard. So thank you guys for your support. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. And yeah, enjoy the recipe and tell me which other recipe you would want me to share with you next. I enjoy.